It always be knocking, so you know we got a problem.
Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Brene and this is Voguish Beauty. So today I'm going to be doing an eye look using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And this palette is kind of interesting because, you know, it's so versatile, but I haven't heard that many people talking about it, so I'm a little interested to find out why. Like, maybe the palette isn't that great. I just kind of swatched a couple colors and they're not that pigmented or bold, so maybe that's why it hasn't been being talked about so much. But today I'm going to be doing a smoky kind of berry eye look, and if you guys want to see how I get this eye look and achieve it, stay tuned and keep watching. So I've already prepped and primed my eyelids using the P. Louise base. I got shade number 5, or I used shade number 5. I actually ordered shade number 5 and shade number 1. I just don't know where shade number 1 is. So this base is phenomenal. I actually set it under my brows as well. You can use it as concealer. This is good stuff. This is thebomb.com, so if the shadows don't perform that well, I know it's not the primer, it's the shadows. So for my crease shade, I'm gonna go in with the color Hell Ride. It's kind of a bold transition color, but whatevs. So Hell Ride is not looking so vivid. It's looking very dark compared to what it is, but whatever, we'll just keep going. So I'm going to take Guilt Trip next, and I'm going to pop that in my outer corner. So now I am going to cut my crease a little bit. So after cutting the crease a little bit, I'm gonna take Wild Heart.
It always be knocking, so you know we got a problem.
So then I'm gonna go back in with Guilt Trip and just smoke it out. Just kind of blend. And it's not smoky enough. So what I'm gonna do is take this bullet brush and I'm gonna go in with Punk and like a little bit of Jet. And then just blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. I honestly don't think I like this palette. I don't think it's really that pigmented. Colors were really hard to blend, and I felt like majority of the time as I was blending away. And I just feel like I would have to really keep packing on the pigment and things like that. And who wants to do all that work and keep packing and packing? I just feel like it potentially got the job done, but I wouldn't be using this palette on the day-to-day basis, to be honest. It would be a waste of my time. So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty eyeliner because I'm black. So what I like to do with eyeliner, I essentially like to bring it from without and bring it inward. I just feel like it works best for me. And then I come in and I stamp up here.
It always be knocking, so you know we got a problem.
God. Today has been a really crazy day. I feel like my energy is not really matching how I usually am. But today has been kind of draining. I feel like maybe it's that lunar eclipse that's coming. Because my energy I have not felt like myself lately. So I do apologize. Because I'm like not myself. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera because you just saw me do this one. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my liner and my lashes off camera. And the thing that I really like about eye looks, that even when it looks kind of crazy in the beginning, the end result can be something presentable, I'm telling you. So I felt it looked really crazy. Maybe because it's just my eyes, but it's not so bad. I don't think it came out that bad. But the palette, I think, is trash. Honestly, well, maybe the colors I just used are bad, but so I'm going to just use this tinted moisturizer. I'm just going to put a little bit more on because I haven't put on anything since earlier today. This tinted moisturizer, the Lancome Skin Feels So Good, is amazing. I love this this tinted moisturizer so much. It literally feels like there's nothing there, and it kind of looks like it too. It's very hydrating though. So a lot of people are like, oh, if I'm oily, can I use it? I say yes because it's oil free, but a lot of people are very skeptical, you know, when you're oily. They don't like to look shiny. This does give you a little bit of dew, but I love dew. So it smells good too. Maybe that's why I like it so much. It smells good. And then of course I'm going to set all of this with my Laura Mercier Candle Glow powder in shade number 6. Just to take some of the dew away. Look at how pretty that is. So seamless. So now I'm going to just take some concealer. Okay, so after I apply concealer, I take Soft Focus by Black Radiance and Creamy Bronze Finish. Love this stuff. Ugh. So then, of course, I'm going to take the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer. Love this bronzer. Favorite bronzer ever. It's just this gorgeous lavender. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. Okay, that's enough, I think. So now we're gonna move on to highlights, which y'all all know I love. So I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. And I'm gonna take Ethereal and just really give it to you guys. No, that's a highlight. That's popping. Thank God I'm not going anywhere because I don't think I'd ever wear this out anywhere, ever. To really make it pop, I love highlight in the eye and the tear ducts. However, you can make it happen. I make it happen. And I'm gonna go in with 7-Day Weekend and just pop that in my tear duct. Ooh, make the boys and girls go crazy. Yeah, and then what about a little bit of Poolside down here, you guys? That'll really make them scream. And just for a little extra oomph, I'm gonna go back in with this palette. Just gonna give it another try. We're gonna do Guilt Trip on top. Okay, with the wet brush, it's a little bit different. Might have to give this palette another go. Might just have to. Okay. And then I'm going to take that mascara and put it on my bottom lashes. And then for such a kind of, I don't even know if this is really that bold, it's a little bit more out there look, I'm just going to do a gloss, no lip. So we're going to use Fenty Beauty. This is from the lipstick trios from the Beach Please collection, Summer Nights, and this is Mermaid Thighs. So that completes today's tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this. Be sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.